The storm erased the signal, but not the responsibility.
When the sea turns hostile, hesitation becomes deadly.
A vessel drifts in darkness, powerless against the storm.
One man leads the mission into the heart of the storm.
Every wave threatens to end it all.
The signal fades, but the danger grows.
Barely visible, lives waiting to be saved.
Preparation replaces fear.
One wrong move, and both ships are lost.
Connection made against impossible odds.
The storm fights back. Suspended between survival and disaster.
The sea tries to claim him. The rescue begins! Inside, time is running out.
Fear has a sound, and it's breathing.
The ship begins to lose balance.
One direction, one chance.
The storm breaches the hull. Strength becomes survival.
The lifeline descends.
Hope rises, one person at a time.
The sea resists every escape.
He stays behind again.
The end is close.
Weight means nothing when lives are measured.
The ship begins to tear itself apart.
This jump decides everything.
The storm watches.
No rope, no margin for error.
The sea closes in.
Still breathing. Still fighting. Help returns through the chaos.
The mission survives.
The sea takes the ship, but not the lives.
The storm begins to release its grip.
Morning arrives, carrying silence. No signal, no mercy, just rescue.